Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to create a green living products website using Shopify. First, be sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. First, we're going to go to our product section here on our left and we're going to click on add product. Here we're going to start filling all of our blanks with our products information. For example, I'm going to start with my bamboo toothbrush. Here I'm going to copy my title, and for the description I'm going to click on generate text, and here I'm going to paste my title. We're going to click on generate, and Shopify is going to use its built-in AI to create a description for us. Here we can either choose to generate the description again or just keep the one we already have. For media, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to choose an image to be our product's image. Below the media section, we're going to have the category section, and here Shopify is going to choose the category for us, and it's almost always going to be correct. But if we want it, we can click over here in order to change it. On our right, we're going to have the product type, vendor, collection, and tags section. For collection, make sure you add your product to your homepage, and for tags, you can put whichever one you like. For example, I'm just going to put green living. For price, let's say that we're going to charge around 10,000 pesos for each toothbrush, and our cost per item is going to be around 7,000 pesos. This is going to be us to leave us with a 3,000 pesos profit at a 30% margin of profit. For inventory, we're just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of it. And here we also have a weight section to assign weight to our product in case we're going to do any kind of shipping. So once we are done, we're going to click over here on save, and we would have our first product uploaded, ready to be posted on our online store. Now what I'm going to do next is I'm going to click on add product again, and I'm going to click up to keep uploading all of the products that I want on my online store. So I'll be back with you guys once you can see guys, here I have added a bunch of new products. For example, a bicycle, a stainless steel water bottle, and a tote bag. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to go to our online store, and here we're going to start to customize it. Now the first thing that we're going to be able to change, it's going to be its theme. If we go down, you can see that Shopify is going to provide us with a bunch of different free themes, or we can just click over here on visit theme store to shop for more of. As you can see over here, we're going to be able to see a lot more themes over here. Some of these themes may better suit our website, but for me, I'm just going to stick with the default one for now. So once we are back over here, I'm going to click on customize. And here we're going to be able to start customizing all of the sections for our website. For example, if I click over here, as you can see, the section is going to be outlined by a blue line. And here on the top left, the name of the section is going to be displayed. On our right, we're going to have a bunch of different options to customize our sections. For example, this is our image banner, and if I click over here on select, add images, we're going to be able to select an image to be our. So once it's done uploading, I'm going to click on done, and as you can see, the background of our banner is going to change. Now, next I'm going to click on our heading, and we're going to change the text here on our right. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my green living products website. There you go. Let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here on our left on template. We're going to click on add a section, and here we're going to have a bunch of different options such as featured collection, featured product, collection list, rich text, etc, etc. For me, I'm just going to choose a featured product. And as you can see here, right at the bottom, a new section is going to appear. I'm going to click on it, and here at the very top right, I'm going to click on select to select a product to be displayed. For example, I'm going to choose my tote bag, and as you can see here, my product is going to be displayed on my new section. Now let's say that we want to change, for example, the color scheme. We're going to put a nice dark theme around it. Another thing that can happen is that we have added a new section by mistake. For example, I'm going to choose a featured collection, and we want to delete this new section. So in order to do it, we're going to make sure we have this section selected, and we're going to click over here on remove section at the bottom right. As you can see, this is going to completely remove the new section. We can also add sections to our footer. Here we can add an email sign up and a custom liquid, and the same goes for our header. Here if we click on add section, we're going to be able to add a custom liquid or an announcement bar. Another very important thing about our header, it's going to be that right over here where it says my store, our store's name is going to be displayed. So in order to change it, we're going to save our changes, we're going to exit, we're going to go to the home page of Shopify, and here we're going to click name store, and now we would be able to change our store's name. I'm just going to put, for example, Green Living Products, and here I'm going to say. Now in order to make sure that everything everything else is correct, we're going to go back to our online store, and here we're going to click on the three dots and we're going to click on preview. This is going to redirect us to our website, and as you can see here on our header, the name of the store is going to be changed. We can scroll down to make sure that everything else is set up just the way we want. And once we are done checking out our website, we're going to go back over here and we're going to go over the analytics and marketing section. And next we're going to go over here to the analytics section. Now this is going to be a really important section for us guys, because here we're going to be able to see our total sales, our sales by channel, our total orders, the average order value, and many different things, such as for example which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, among many other things and information, which is going to really help us manage and customize our website and our business all from the same place. Lastly, I wanted to show you the discount section. Here if we go to discount, I'm going to click on add discount. We are going to choose an amount of products, and here we're going to be able to customize our own discount for our online store. For example, here we can choose the code. Let's say I'm going to put code 101, or we can just click over here and Shopify is going to provide us a random code for us. Below it we can choose which kind of discount it's going to be, either a fixed amount or a percentage amount. I'm going to choose a percentage, and let's say we're going to have a 10% discount. Below it we can choose which collections our discount is going to apply to. For example, we are going to click on browse, and I'm going to choose the products of my homepage collection. If we keep going down, you can see that we have more options to further customize our discounts, such as if we need any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum amount of uses it has, the combinations, and lastly here, if we click on set end date, we can choose an expiration date for our discount. For example, I'm going to choose the 29th, and here I'm going to click Save Discount. Now we would have our first discount ready to either post on social media, maybe gift to a friend, or just use however we would like. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also that $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.